back in downtown LA, more $4 an hour parking. Yeah, I'm headed back to Jumpman LA. And Jordan release day, I'm not here to get the Jordans. I did hear that they had some shorts that they released that they didn't have when I came. Did hear that they had some shorts that weren't out when I came yesterday. Let's see if they're out. Oh, they are out. The trophy room shorts right here. I heard these are hella cheap. These went out yesterday. I did hear these are 70% off as well. $30. $30 for trophy room shorts. Holy crap. So yeah, she's checking out on the large. I don't think, did I show these yesterday? I don't know. But yeah, these are going for $60, normally $85. Not the greatest discount. They still do have these going for $70 off. The undefeated one, they don't have the black one. I think I know who bought all of them. But yeah, they do have this one right here. They still have this white one. Did they have this one? I don't remember this one. I think they had a dark one, but not the white one. Oh, okay. And then they had this one as well. The East Side Golf ones. They got this shirt. They had this shirt. This was not here yesterday. I don't remember that one. A Titan? Oh, a Titan collab. Holy crap. Every day they've had new stuff releasing. That is crazy. These are the, I don't even know who this is. What is this? MB shirts? Go for $8, normally $35. Is this the Soulfly shirt? Is this the Soulfly shirt? Soulfly shirt. Yeah, this is the Soulfly shirt. What would I wear with this though? What the F would I wear with this? Soulfly shirts go for $8. Oh, and they got more of these. They got more of the Eastside Golf ones. Still got these right here, the Amamaniers. I don't know what size is. I'm not releasing this the day of or right after because someone asked me to hold off on it. The person who sent me the information asked me to hold off on posting it, so that's kind of why. Damn. My bad, you guys. My bad. Y'all know I like to post stuff as soon as possible. These are going for $47. Grabbed all of these. I grabbed all of them. These aren't on sale yet. These are freaking ridiculous. The material's just so fire. Those not on sale as well. So the trophy room shorts, these are short. I'm not a fan of the short shorts. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a fan of the short shorts. I am picking up the Jordans later too, so I'm spending more money. I guess these aren't too short. They do go down to the knees. They're not below the knees. Like this one's like right below the knees. That's like the perfect height for me. But like these would be like right at the knees. I still think I gotta get them. They're just too cheap. $30. Yeah, $30. Titan shirt. It's going for $17. I'm still thinking about some of this stuff. Did I miss this stuff right here? The Eastside Golf t-shirt. That's going for $15. Oh, this one was $8 or $7. Yeah, $8. And then the Soulfly is down to $15. But I just don't know what I would match this with. Seriously, I just don't know. It is fire. If I did have the Soulfly 13s, I probably would grab that. If I had the Soulfly 13s, I'd grab this too. But I just like, what would I match this with? Like really, like what would I match this with? Like this is so tough to match. I could just wear it with jeans and some white J's. I could do that. Parking expired. That's why I ran out. That's why I couldn't show you guys this. I'll show you guys this in a sec. Did grab the trophy room shorts for myself. Grabbed these for $30 plus tax. Normally $75. And then grabbed a couple of Amamanier hoodies. Got that for one of the homies. Yeah, that's it, man. They had 2 mediums. Grabbed 2 mediums. They had larges. They seem to have a decent number of sizes, right? All right, Jordan release day. Jordan 4 release day. Continuing with this vlog. This is just crazy. One of y'all just informed me that, hey, they might have something interesting here. So that's why I hurried up over here. Nike Outlet Watts. And man, spending all that gas, man. Make sure you guys check out the membership if you guys really want to support the channel. So one of you guys did let me know that they do have the Jordan 4s. They're doing just like they did when they had the Kobe's. They have I guess they got limited sizes, so they have a thing right there and they're kind of releasing them. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I can't believe they got Jordan 4s here. I did come here yesterday. I literally do have a vlog coming out. So see if they have anything updated. That's a size 5.5, 30% off. Got a size 11 of those as well. All the Jordans that I saw yesterday, they're all gone. I don't see any of them. Damn, another one, 11.5 as well. Brainers, did I see this yesterday? Oh, this is size 7.5, going for $100. I got plenty of refurbs, that type of stuff. It is Jordan releases. I'm primarily concentrating on Jordans. Oh, see, it shows right here. Shows right here. Look at this. Size 9. That is crazy. Yeah, man. They looks like they got a full-size run, but you know what I'm saying? Like it pretty limited. It's not like they got hundreds and hundreds of pairs, but damn, dude, they got them. They do got them. That is crazy. I was trying to do an early review on these. Leather's okay. Not as nice as some of the OG stuff. It is tumbled leather. Someone had told me a while back, hey, these feel very plasticky. Doesn't feel bad, but just doesn't feel that extra premium, especially compared to like the 4SBs and some of the 4s that have like really, really exquisite leather. Jordan Brand's just saving some money. Nike and Jordan Brand, that's what it is. But crazy. Okay. All right, I did get one. I broke down. I did get one. To be honest, I was gonna get one from somewhere else. But yeah, I did get it. I got it. It is what it is. 10.5. Did get my size. I came here like an hour later too. Like, damn. That is fire. That is fire. Not one of the OGs, but man, they did it right. Like I said, the leather isn't like exquisite. Yeah, this one's, maybe it depends. That leather's not bad. Maybe it depends on the pair. Like a lot of shoes have been doing that lately. A lot of Jordans, I swear. I guess it's not bad. Maybe that's just that pair that was up there. Sometimes the texture's different and stuff. Like this one, it's not too bad. It's not perfectly the same, but that is kind of how it is with genuine leather. I don't know if this is genuine, but that does happen with genuine leather where not everything's perfect. But yeah, man, grab this at the Nike outlet. That is freaking insane. That's insane. Yeah, I'm not gonna grab my other pair, whatever. I'm gonna be honest, the primary reason I came here, and I happened to buy the photos, the primary reason I came here is because I wanted to return these. These are some KDs that I did get. I wanted to get them to get a return. I wanted to get them because I wanted to do a review on these, and they're okay. And I didn't even get a chance to do a review. I didn't even get to try them on. I didn't get to, oh my God. Oh my goodness, that is so soft. That is so soft. Was limited. Yeah, but I didn't get a chance to do a review. My bad, you guys. But I am gonna return them. I could return them later, but I just wanna, you know, if I didn't get to do a review like the day of, it's not even worth it with the YouTube algorithm and stuff like that. Like you have to do everything like ASAP or just doesn't get that many views. But yeah, these are pretty fire. I think this had to do with the childhood or something, and you know, it had to do with gaming. That's why that is on the back. What's on the back of this one right here? Oh, okay. Pretty much more the same, but the leather is so freaking soft on these. These are pretty fire. But yeah, I'm returning these right now. All right, let's make this return. Get this the heck out of here. I didn't even read this line earlier. Look, reading is fundamental, you guys. Reading is fundamental. It shows that they have the retro 4s right there. Grab at least a couple highlights. Dude, these still on sale. Plenty of sizes for the USA, the white ones. These are going for what, 65. You get another 50% off. So 32 something. These just in the medium, and it is 50 off. And these shirts, $25. And then, who cares about that? All right, let's go home. Let's talk, man. We got a lot to talk about, man. That's crazy. All right, guys, that was a crazy Jordan 4 release day. Found these at the freaking outlet on release day. that was pretty insane. I did purchase this at the outlet. Like, it was just insane. It was all around, it was insane. These were definitely better than I thought they'd be. I almost skipped these. I am glad I did grab them because, yeah, these are pretty fire. They're pretty fire. Kind of match too. Kind of match. Throw these on with some Niner gear. That's cool. I know not everybody was feeling them. It wasn't an OG. I know, you know, I know not everybody was feeling it. You know, red cement, kind of gimmicky, you know what I'm saying? There's a white cement, there's black cement, military, all that stuff. And then they just threw a red in it. I thought it was fire. I like the majority white fours with the little splash of color. I'm just a fan of that. But yeah, if you did not hit, which is crazy because there were like 75 opportunities to hit on these. If you did not hit, I know there was resale. I know it's a 4. I know everybody's going after them. So if you did not hit, I hope you guys went out on release day. As I've said on a million occasions, have I said, like, for the last 4 years, you never know. You never know. On release day, shops get extra pairs. I've seen Shoe Palace get extra pairs. I've seen them throw Jordans on the floor on release day. I've seen Finish Line do that. I've seen JD do that, same company. But I've seen them do that. We saw that on this release day, so there are plenty of chances. Chic does that once in a while too, so you know, like I usually hit up Culver City, I hit up Sherman Oaks, and you can find pairs. So hopefully you guys are able to do that. 5 p.m. is when Finish Line let go of their pairs on release day, so hopefully you guys were able to get that at least if you guys didn't hit. And then leftover days tomorrow, and hopefully you guys grab one on leftover day if you guys didn't take the dub. And these, they've had a lot of releases, so hopefully you were able to grab them. I don't think they were that tough. If you made your rounds on release day and even leftover day, I don't think it's gonna be that tough. So hopefully you were able to grab a pair. They are pretty fire. And I'm probably biased because it does match with the 90 gear. So it is what it is. But yeah, that was just a random day today. Because yeah, I did grab these as well. These are the freaking trophy room shorts. Yeah, my time expired, so I ran to my car. I didn't film anything. I just ran because I don't know. For some reason, I thought I could do everything within 30 minutes because I've already seen that place like 20 times, so I didn't think I'd spend that much time. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I did spend some time on the phone because I did help out someone with some stuff. So yeah, did grab these bad boys. These are short. They're short. They're too short. They're too short, man. I don't know if I'm digging them. I don't know. But they were $30. Normally $90, I believe. Oh, yeah. So they were normally $75. I did grab them for what, $30 or something. So so yeah, I ended up getting them. We'll see. And then I did grab the Alma Maniere. Damn, dude, they didn't even fold it correctly. What the hell? But yeah, I did grab the Alma Maniere. Did grab a medium for one of the homies. Also grabbed a medium for these as well. And you know, I grabbed a couple for myself yesterday. But yeah, these are fire. Had to grab them. $150. They were down to 45 or something like that. Just fire. I have all the Alma Maniere stuff, so I had to get them. I called one of the homies to see if he wanted them, and he wanted me to get him these. So yeah, so I was on the phone. That's probably why my time expired, because I was on the phone and that type of stuff. So I'm gonna have to send these out to him, and that's pretty much about it. That was one of the more random Jordan release days. I'm gonna be honest with you, I did not think that I would see him at Watts. Like I said, one of you guys gave me a heads up, so I definitely appreciate that. I didn't have to go to Downey. I was actually gonna go to Downey and then go to Watts, make the return. I was gonna check out the Stonewood Mall. I was gonna go there because I haven't been there in forever, and it's not that far from Watts, so I was gonna stop by there. But yeah, it saved me a trip. I didn't have to go there. I could just go to Watts and we could talk about the release, that type of stuff. But hope you guys put in some effort. You know, I saw people on Instagram who had numerous pairs. They just weren't that hard to get. Hopefully you guys were able to grab your pair. If you guys didn't, tomorrow, or when this video comes out for you guys, be out there on leftover. They be out super early, get to the malls hella early. They'll open at 11, but get there an hour before. You know, you want to be the first in line, because I think with the white with the white cement 3 reimagines, like the store that I went to, they only had one. They literally only had 1 pair. So you know, you never know. Some of the big stores are gonna have more, obviously. Some of the small stores are gonna have less. So figure it out and make it happen, you guys. Some of the shoe palaces, some of them, they technically might make phone calls, but I doubt it, because making phone calls is a pain, dude. Making phone calls and whatever. So they're probably gonna sell their leftover pairs if they have any. So yeah, good luck. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. If you guys really love the channel, make sure you guys help our boy. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. I do drop tons and tons of videos. And those of you guys that really want to support, make sure you click on that membership, or make sure you click on that join button for the membership. It's just $5 a month, and you'll just give me a tip saying, hey, good looking out, you know, because I think I do provide tons of really good information. You can't do it on Android, you can't do it on iOS. You have to be on a browser. It has to be on desktop mode. So you know, figure it out. Hit me up on Instagram if you need help. Definitely thank you to those of you early members. Definitely appreciate it. Hopefully I can help you guys with the additional content, that type of stuff, and I'll definitely make it worth it. Pretty much, if you do join though, the primary purpose is just to thank me. So definitely appreciate it, and like I said, I'll try to make it worth it. But yeah, thanks so much, you guys. I appreciate all you guys that do support channel. Got plenty of videos coming. I even went to a mall on release day because I wanted to see how that went. And there were pairs, man. There were pairs. Finish Line had pairs. I even posted it in my YouTube shorts. I hope you guys are paying attention to my YouTube shorts. And like I said, I try to provide as much information as possible. But yeah, got plenty coming. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it to the end. See you guys next one. Peace. Go Niners, man. We better win. We better win, man. I'll be mad if we don't win, though.